Hi, so we're going to continue with math. I know we are going to be Thursday, but we're going to go ahead and start with Monday. So we're going to go ahead and count 1 through 5 movable objects in a line. So if you have any cubes, toys that can help your child to count to 5, once you do that and you've practiced, we will be completing a lesson. Lesson 1 on handout. So just to show you a brief example on counting objects, let me see if I can get those. So for example, I have these sticks. So you want to be able to count them to 5 with your child. So have them repeat after you. So you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then try it again for checking and understanding and have them repeat after you or point. So let's go ahead and get started with lesson 1 handout. There's a couple, but you have your packet. All you have to do is circle. So for number 1, it says circle the set that equals this one. So circle the set that equals this one. So you have 2. Which one equals to 2? Is it this one, or this one? Make sure you count your circles. You have 1, 2. You have 1 here in the first cube. You have 1, 2 circles in the second cube. You have 1, 2, 3 circles in the third cube. Which one looks the same as this one? Answer the question. Number 2, count the dollars. How many are there? So let's count the dollars. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to circle. How many dollars do we have? Do we have 2, 4, or 3? Number 3, circle the ABA pattern. Your ABA pattern would be, is it this one? A, B, A, B, A, B, or A, B, A, B. Circle the correct answer. Number 4, put dots in the circle for the number given. So you have the number 3. I want you to put 3 dots inside the circle. So how many dots? 3. Make sure you count as you are drawing your dots. Number 5, put dots in the circle for the number given. So the same as this one, you have the number 2. I want you to put 2 dots inside this circle. The next one says, count the cars. How many are there? So how many cars do we have? Get ready. 1, 2. Circle the correct number. Is it 2, 4, or 3? Next, we have the ABA pattern. Find the ABA pattern. So you're going to circle the ABA pattern. Is it A, B, B, or A, B, B? Look at the pattern that they want. Number 3, it says, which set equals this one? So you have how many tires? 1, 2. Which one looks the same as this one? Is it cube A, which is 1, 2, cube B, which is 1, or cube C, 1, 2, 3? Circle the correct answer. Number 4, circle September 4th. September 4th. So this is the calendar. September, find number 4. Where is number 4? Number 5, it says mark an X 2 days later. 2 days later. So, from September 4th, you're going to mark 2 days later. Are you going to go forward or are you going to go backward? Later means forward. Before means backward. So, if you're going to go later, you're going to go forward. And number 1 here, it says, how many paper clips apart are these 2 race cars? So you're going to need paper clips, and you're going to measure how far apart these 2 cars are. If you don't have paper clips, it's okay. Just make a rough estimate. Number 2, how many cars do you count? 1, 2, 3. Circle the correct number. Is it 3, 5, or 4? Number 3, which symbol means equals? You have your plus sign, which means to add. You have your equal sign, which means the same. You have your greater than or less than, which we kind of go, we kind of say that this would be like your alligators. So which symbol means equals? Which one means the same? Is it the addition? You add numbers. The equals means the same or greater than or less than. Circle the correct answer. Number 4, make a set of 1 in this circle. So you're going to make a set of 1. You can draw a dot, you can draw squares, whatever you want, but you're going to draw 1. How many flags are there all together? So let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 in the first circle. Plus, how many do you have in your second circle? 1, 2. Equals all together. So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want you to go ahead and follow the steps and write your answer. And that's it for lesson 1. We will continue lesson 2 some other time.